Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add the Greek letter Tor to a Markdown cell for Jupyter Notebook using LaTeX Code. So we'll start by creating a new Markdown cell. And here we'll add in Tor. So the code here is using \Tor, TAU, with the syntax in Jupyter Notebook Markdown cells is before the LaTeX code, there needs to be $2 as well as $2 after the LaTeX code. So once we run this, we now have the Greek letter Tor centered here in the middle. So this is how to add the Greek letter Tor using LaTeX code to a Markdown cell for Jupyter Notebook.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.